chainsaw mishaps to professional blunders. Witness jaw-dropping moments and disbelief when seemingly ordinary tree-cutting jobs descend into utter chaos.
It's on.
These daredevils attempt to wrestle towering trees with monstrous chainsaws, only to be met with spectacularly hilarious and sometimes terrifying consequences. Houses tremble, chainsaws shriek, and limbs fly as these reckless individuals push the boundaries of disaster. But would they learn from their mistakes, or will their next encounter with a tree be their last? Here's a dose of tree-cutting terror as this reckless individual thinks he can easily battle a towering tree. But he ends up meeting with a near-death result. While that was a narrow escape for him, the real work begins. When an extreme tree cutting fails, the outcome can be dangerous. But watch as these guys tamed nature.
Thank you, guys.
Cutting a tree might seem easy, but it's not. While that played out well, the next video, not so much. This guy is about to teach you exactly what not to do with a chainsaw. This is exactly what happens when you lack experience in tree cutting.
Oh my God.
Next on, this was supposed to be a simple task, but the opposite was the case. Unlike the cheaper guy on your street who would just try to cut a tree without a strategy, you're about to see a real master plan in place. While this tree might have been humbled to the ground, wait till you see how this towering tree disobeyed this man's plans. Cutting a tree is one thing, but cutting it without any problem is another thing. How do you think you can just wiggle a tree any way you like with just a chainsaw? Is it a toy? The next video was even crazier. This guy took tree cutting to a whole new level of chaos. How unfortunate can it be that you're trying to solve a problem, but you end up creating a new one for yourself?
Well, the big chainsaw is now on the porch, but it froze up.
You know that feeling when you think you've got this, but it turns out you don't?
A little soft for right now. And here we go, maybe. Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh! Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all. We just took out half the house.
Finally, with every creak and crack, tree cutting tension rises to a breaking point. This is one crazy moment that didn't turn out well. You'll see how this guy battles the forces of nature and later realizes that some things are just beyond our control.
That's it, Dad. I think that's it. It is.
Well, that was a wild ride. These tree cutting fails prove that sometimes Mother Nature calls the shots. Remember, safety first, and maybe leave the heavy lifting to the professionals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and catch you all later.